Hello, fellow gardeners and plant enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something special for all you green thumbs out there. The top 5 grafting tools reviews in 2023. Grafting is a fantastic technique for creating new plant varieties, and having the right tools makes all the difference. We'll be delving into these tools' features, performance, and why they're the cream of the crop this year. In the video description, you'll find direct links to these top grafting tools, ready to help you take your gardening and horticultural skills to the next level. If you're passionate about plants or want to master the art of grafting, give us a thumbs up. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Stay in the loop about the latest gardening gadgets. Let's explore the top 5 grafting tools reviews in 2023. Starting at number 5, DTBD Grafting Tools. The DTBD grafting tools are a fantastic choice for gardeners looking for efficient grafting and cutting solutions. These tools are built to improve your working speed and precision. They feature a time and effort-saving design. With the ability to match the U-cut or O-cut easily, you'll witness rapid healing in your grafting projects. However, they are not suitable for hard branches, dry branches, or branches over 12 millimeters in diameter. The high-quality spring, blade, and nylon handle ensure durability and long-term use. With these shears, you can quickly cut useless branches from your plants. Grafting becomes a breeze with DTBD grafting tools. They are suitable for various grafting needs and are perfect for enthusiasts who want to speed up their grafting and cutting tasks. Whether you're grafting, pruning, or simply maintaining your garden, these tools offer reliability and ease of use, helping you complete your tasks efficiently. At number 4, Jigu Grafting Tools. If you're seeking an efficient and fast way to approach grafting, the Jigu grafting tools are an excellent choice. These tools are designed to save time and effort while ensuring precision. One of their outstanding features is the ability to match U-cut or O-cut, providing rapid healing for rootstock and scion. They can effortlessly cut through branches up to 12 millimeters in diameter, making them ideal for removing leaves, twigs, and stems without requiring you to switch tools. These tools are not just about efficiency, they also emphasize quality. Featuring high-quality spring, blade, and a nylon handle, they are built to last. The high-quality blade ensures you can work swiftly and effectively. Whether you're a professional or a gardening enthusiast, these shears are a valuable addition to your toolkit. They are suitable for a wide range of tasks, including pruning, grafting, and improving your working speed. With Jigu Grafting Tools, you'll be equipped to tackle your gardening projects with precision and ease. At number 3, Fuir Grafting Tools. The Fuir grafting shears are a fantastic addition to any gardener's toolkit. These multifunctional tools make grafting a breeze, offering efficiency and precision. One of their standout features is the ability to switch between 3 different blades, allowing you to meet various grafting needs. Whether you're looking for a U-shaped cut, a blade replacement, or a different cutting style, these tools have you covered. The high carbon steel blades ensure smooth and precise incisions, which greatly improve the survival rate of your grafts. These shears are easy to use and offer a safety shrink lock for added peace of mind. While weighing in at only around 302 grams, these tools are lightweight and easy to handle, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The Fuir grafting shears are perfect for grafting, pruning, and other garden tasks. Their versatility and ease of use make them suitable for both beginners and experienced gardeners, and the precision they offer ensures your grafting projects are a success. At number 2, OIG Grafting Tools. Elevate your grafting game with the OIG Grafting Tools, a revolutionary set designed for efficiency and precision. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice, these tools make grafting a breeze. The standout feature here is the 2-in-1 function. These tools act as both secateurs and a guillotine grafting blade. You can effortlessly cut excess leaves and twigs to prepare your plants for grafting, and then use the special graft guillotine to make precise cuts in the graft material. Quality is paramount. The stainless steel shear blades and high-strength ABS plastic handles ensure durability and longevity. This tool can cut through material up to 12 millimeters in diameter, making it ideal for various grafting tasks. Even beginners will find it easy to create OVU-style grafts thanks to the sharp and precise blade. No need to switch tools while working. This all-in-one grafting tool streamlines the process. With multiple color options, including black, green, orange, and red, and the ability to cut graft shafts from 5 mm to 14 mm, the OIG Grafting Tools offer both style and function. They are a valuable asset for grafting enthusiasts looking to take their skills to the next level. At number 1, Mover Grafting Tools. If you're a serious gardener or horticultural enthusiast, the Mover Grafting Tools are your perfect companion. This professional grafting set is a comprehensive package designed to meet all your grafting needs. What sets these tools apart is their quality. They feature high-carbon steel double-edged shear blades that are incredibly sharp and durable. With the ability to cut branches up to 1.2 inches 30 millimeters in diameter, precision and perfection are guaranteed. The oil coating on the blades not only protects them from rust, but also ensures longevity. Included are 3 replaceable graft cutting blades, O-cut, U-cut, and V-cut, to tackle branches with diameters ranging from 5 mm to 12 mm. This versatility greatly improves the chances of survival for your grafts. The wood handle grafting knife provides added convenience. With a wooden handle and a stainless steel blade, it's perfect for creating precise cuts on scion and stock. Whether you're grafting, pruning, digging, weeding, or cutting, the Mover Grafting Tools are a versatile and high-quality addition to your gardening arsenal. Their ergonomic design ensures ease of use and efficiency, making them a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their gardening skills.